So, good morning guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Hope you're all well, and if you couldn't tell, I've just woken up. But today, as you will have seen from the title and thumbnail, we have a very exciting trip ahead of us. If you've been following the channel from the start, or if you followed me even before YouTube when I had the Golf, you will know how much we love the guys down at Meguiar's. Now, over the last few months, they've been renovating their warehouse. So their warehouse used to obviously be their stock warehouse, whereas now they've been completely doing everything, and I've had a few sneak peeks and it looks unreal. You will have seen it on social media. I'll throw some photos up now. They've got a cool photo studio. I'm really excited to see it. Obviously haven't been actually down there since I had the Golf, so it will be very exciting. It's the BMW's first time there, which would be very cool as well. So yeah, they've organised a grand opening, which would be really cool. Obviously it'd be nice to catch up with everyone at the Meguiar's family. I'm going to try and film as much as possible and show you guys something you probably wouldn't usually see, because obviously it's not often you get a chance to look around a warehouse like this, and obviously on this level. I'm excited myself to see it. Obviously I want to create a cool video for you guys, and as I've said previously, it's such a great family to be a part of, let alone the great cleaning products obviously we have as well. But yeah, that is the plan of action for the day. Should be a really good day. The weather isn't great, it's a bit cloudy, but in terms of content it should make the cars look pretty cool. I haven't actually had a chance to clean my car yet because I've been so busy and I just haven't had time. It's not actually that terrible, so I think it's going to call for a waterless wash before we leave this morning. I'm going to finish my coffee, get some energy in me, get changed, wipe over the car, and we can get on with the day. So we are literally about to pull into the units where the Meguiar's warehouse is now. But yeah, let's get into Meguiar's and let's get on with their grand opening. Hello, hello. How are you doing? You okay?
Yeah, nice to see you. Hello. Say hello. How you doing? You alright?
Yeah, he's sleepy. Oh, thank you.
Just a kit bag, thanks for coming up, first 15.
much.
And then some
Thank you.
t-shirts. Head on round, the gang are down there. The coffee van's on us today, so don't queue up, get coffee, and the tacos get served are on us. Just help yourself when they get shouted to serve.
Appreciate it.
Thanks.
No,
See you in a bit. So yeah, we're just pulling in now. You might have heard that from Tom, but we got a little kit bag which I'll show you guys. And yeah, let's pull in and park up. very warm, if you can tell by my shiny forehead. That was a really good day, as you would have seen from all the edits. We're now about to leave. I don't really know what's going on for the rest of the day. I don't know how long this video was. I wasn't able to actually film much because it was quite busy. We were chatting away, just enjoying the day. That rhymed. But yeah, I'm gonna head home now. Nismo is very tired, he's already laid down asleep. Yeah. I might pick up with you guys later, I might add another segment to the video. But there's currently a tank leaving. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. But yes, there was a tank. But yeah, I will catch you guys. There's a tank, there you go. I'll either catch you guys in a bit or I'll pick up you guys when I get home. So, I'll be completely real with you guys. I forgot to film an outro. I've been editing this whole video now because it's currently the Saturday. I'm trying to get live for Sunday because a new video every single Sunday at 5 PM. I'm sticking to it. There's a video every week and this video needs to go live tomorrow because I will be at Roll Hard tomorrow, so I'm not even going to be here to upload it, so I need to get it done tonight. It is currently 10 to 11, so I need to get this finished. But I also remembered I didn't actually go over what we got in the package from Meguiar's when we turned up. So as you would have seen when we turned up, we got 2 of the Meguiar's tops. Funnily enough, I'm actually wearing the last event, the Meguiar's Taco Club one. I'll open that, I'll show you that t-shirt because the graphic on that is really cool. But more importantly, let's see what's in this goodie bag. So let's prop you guys up somewhere you can see. Right, so first we'll open the t-shirts. If you don't know, Slam Sanctuary do some really good quality t-shirts as well. So it's just on the front, a nice Meguiar's print. And on the back, we've got the full Meguiar's grand opening print. I don't know how well you can see that. But yeah, that is a really nice t-shirt. The quality is just insane. That is another Meguiar's top added to my wardrobe, which I am very happy with. But like I said, let's get into this. Now these boxes, they're like a hard shell, so like they're really good to keep in your car because like if you've got other stuff in your car and it's getting banged about, it's just nice. So let's pop this open. Oh, these guys do treat us well. So more microfibers because you can quite literally never have enough. We also then have another ceramic waterless wash and wax, which if you follow me over on Instagram, you would have seen on the side of the video actually. I was using this because I didn't have time to wash the car. So I was using that. If you don't know, you should get to know the Meguiar's tyre gel. It's probably one of the best tyre gels on the market. Other than their tyre spray, which is really good and I do enjoy using. This actually has a really cool compartment as well, which I didn't know about. I'm going to end up using this as a hand luggage bag. Yeah, this is a really nice. So there we have it guys, that was the Meguiar's grand opening. Again, I know I've said it a million times and you guys are probably going to get fed up with it, but I'm so grateful for being part of this family. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to continue editing this now and try and get it done before midnight. I'm going to be up early because I'm at Roll Hard. Yes, there will be another video on Roll Hard probably next week now because Roll Hard's this Sunday. That'll be next Sunday's video. We have a few other sort of filler videos in between. They're still going to be obviously good videos. I'm very excited to make them, but we're just holding off pretty much until I have parts to start the new project. If I move camera that way a little bit, we have parts stacking up for the new project. It's just waiting because again, like I've said previously, I want to pump this content out for you guys. I don't want to do a video 1 week, then I'm waiting on parts for 3 weeks and you can't have a video. I'm gonna get this video edited, I'm gonna get some sleep, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And don't forget, new video every single Sunday at 5 PM. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video, drop a like, and I know a lot of people watching this video click off before the end, but for you avid viewers that are still here till the end, I want you to comment what your favourite car at the whole grand opening was in the video. So let me know down below. Obviously, if you want to follow any of those cars, follow me over on Instagram. I'm probably going to be posting reels about it. I follow pretty much everyone at Meguiar's, I think, and if I don't, then at them and I'll follow them. I'm now rambling, it's late, I need to finish editing this. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.